or a 1/4, is a character which typically represents a close front-rounded vowel, y. It is classified as a separate letter in several extended Latin alphabets, or alternatively as the letter U with an umlaut diaeresis in Catalan, Estonian, Galician, German, Hungarian, Occitan and Spanish. U-umlaut. A glyph, U with umlaut, appears in the German alphabet. It represents the umlauted form of U, which results in the same sound as the Y. It can also represent Y. The letter is collated together with U, or as UE. In languages which have adopted German names or spellings, such as Swedish, the letter also occurs. It is however not a part of these languages' alphabets. In Swedish the letter is called tyskty, which means German Y. In other languages that do not have the letter as part of the regular alphabet or in limited character sets such as ASCII, U-umlaut is frequently replaced with the two-letter combination A. Software for optical character recognition sometimes sees it falsely as E. Letter O. The letter O is present in the Hungarian, Karelian, Turkish, Ugar-Latin, Estonian, Azeri, Turkmen, Crimean Tatar and Tatar Latin alphabets, where it represents a close front-rounded vowel, Y. It is considered to be a distinct letter, collated separately, and not considered a simple modification of U or Y. It is distinct from UE. This same letter appears in the Chinese romanizations Pinyin, Wade-Giles, and the German-based Lessing Othma, where it represents the same sound, Y, for example see Permil or E. Pinyin uses O only when ambiguity could arise with similarly romanized words containing a U, whereas Wade-Giles and Lessing use O in all situations. As the letter A 1/4 is missing on most keyboards and the sound V is not present in standard Mandarin, the letter V is used on most computer Chinese input methods to enter the letter A 1/4. As a result, romanization of Chinese with the letter V representing the A 1/4 sound is sometimes found. U-dieresis. Several languages use diaeresis over the letter U to show that the letter is pronounced in its regular way, without dropping out, building diphthongs with neighbors etc. In Spanish it is used to distinguish between G/Ga 1/4 E, and Gui/Ga 1/4 I Ni Carrega 1/4 Ins, Pinga 1/4 Ino. Similarly in Catalan language, Giga 1/4 ER, EE, EWE, Guiga 1/4 IR, EI, EWE, KQA 1/4 E, K, Qua, KQA 1/4 I, Ki, Qui, as in Aiga 1/4 is, Pinga 1/4 Ins, QA 1/4 Estia cubed, Adek 1/4 I. Also a 1/4 is used to mark that vowel pairs that normally would form a diphthong must be pronounced as separate syllables. Examples, raw 1/4 L, dia 1/4 RN. In French, the diaeresis appears over the U only very rarely in some uncommon words, Cafana 1/4 M, Rem, Cafana 1/4 M, Caperna 1/4 M, Rem, or Emma 1/4 S, As. After the 1990 spelling reforms, it is applied to a few more words, like Aiga 1/4 E, Ambiga 1/4 E and Aga 1/4 R, ENE. Usage in phonetic alphabets. In the Rhenish Documenta, a phonetic alphabet for many West Central German, the Low Rhenish, and few related vernacular languages, a 1/4 represents a range from Y to E. Typography. Historically the unique letter O and U diaeresis were written as a U with two dots above the letter. U-umlaut was written as a U with a small e written above. This minute e degenerated to two vertical bars in medieval handwritings. In most later handwritings these bars in turn nearly became dots. In modern typography there was insufficient space on typewriters and later computer keyboards to allow for both a U with dots and a U with bars. Since they looked near identical the two glyphs were combined, which was also done in computer character encoding such as ISO 8859-1. As a result there was no way to differentiate between the three different characters. While Unicode theoretically provides a solution, this is almost never used. Computing codes, keyboarding, the methods available for entering a euro and a 1/4 euro from the keyboard depend on the operating system, the keyboard layout, and the application. Microsoft Windows a Euro. Some keyboard layouts feature separate keys for a Euro or a Euro. Using the Swiss French keyboard, a Euro or 1/4 a Euro can be entered by typing a Shift plus A. Using the US International layout, a Euro or 1/4 a Euro can be entered by typing Alt-GR plus Y. Microsoft Windows, with the number lock on, hold down the Alt key while typing on the numeric keypad the decimal value of the code point from the active DOS OEM code page without a leading 0, then release the Alt key. That is Alt number 154 for a Euro or a Euro and Alt number 129 for a Euro or 1/4 a Euro. Microsoft Windows, with the number lock on, hold down the Alt key while typing on the numeric keypad the decimal value of the code point from the active ANSI code page with a leading 0, then release the Alt key. That is Alt number 0220 for a Euro or a Euro and Alt number 0252 for a Euro or 1/4 a Euro. Microsoft Word for Windows, type a CTRL+, Shift plus W for a Euro or a Euro or a CTRL+, W for a Euro or 1/4 a Euro. Mac OS with an English keyboard layout, type a Option plus U, Shift plus W for a Euro or a Euro or a Option plus U, W for a Euro or 1/4 a Euro. See also, umlaut, O degree. O plus or minus a Cyrillic letter U with diaeresis. References